Let's make marble brownies. For convenience, we're going to use boxed brownie mix, but you can use your own brownie recipe for this. This is the Ghirardelli brownie mix, triple fudge, but we're going to do some modifications to lighten it up a little bit. Fruit puree can replace some of the fat in the recipe. And then we'll mix it all together. Alright, we're going to set this aside now and make the cheesecake part. Stir up some softened cream cheese. And then we'll start adding our ingredients. We're going to add an egg that's room temperature, some vanilla extract, and a little bit of salt to taste. And then we're going to mix that until smooth. Here we're going to add the flour and the sugar together so that the flour doesn't clump up when we add it to the cheese. And mix this until all of the sugar has dissolved. It'll look really smooth and have this texture. Grease your pan and then add the brownie mix. And then this mix has chocolate chips in it, so I'm just spreading it out so that it's all dispersed. And then we're going to add the cheesecake batter in drops all over the brownie mix. If you want to do it in lines, you can actually put this into a Ziploc bag and then cut the tip off and do a design like that, but I'm just going randomly across here. Then with a chopstick or a knife, you want to just start swirling. Try swirling in both directions to get a really nice pattern. Stick this in the oven at 325 for 50 minutes. You can stick a toothpick in the center to see if it's completely cooked through. Here's your extra fancy brownie. Delicious. Thanks for watching. See you next time.